Hello guys, welcome to the site host. So this is going to be a short video on how to install WordPress in from cpanel, which is in your client area. You'll be able to find. So we'll see step by step how to install that, which is going to be very short video. So what you want to do is log into your system, to your client area on site hosts, and then you put your credentials here, your email and your password. Very easy to do. And then once you logged in, you'll be able to see this dashboard, which is this is your client area. You'll be able to see all the features here. So this is just pay invoices, just ignore this. So you'll be able to see your data usage here. You'll be able to see the bandwidth. You'll be able to see all the features available for you for the particular package you have picked when you sign in. So what you want to do is log into your cpanel. Click here. Just give it a couple seconds. Yeah. So once you are here on the cpanel, you will see all the features available to you, based on the plan, the package plan you have picked when you're signing to sitehost.co.uk. And then what you want to do is scroll down, and then on your left hand side you will see the WordPress. That's what you want to do. So you click here, and then we will install within no time. And then click install now. So in this section here, you will be able to see all the details need to be required for installing your WordPress on your website. So you want to pick one of them. So I'm just gonna pick the demo one, and then scroll down. You put whether it is site name, logo, or whatever you want. So I'm gonna just put this demo site here, and then I'm gonna put my name here, and then put all the passwords. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it, and that's my email. And then you come down, so you can pick any themes you want. But yeah, so let's say for example I'm gonna put this demo here. So select the theme, yes, and then finally, once all the details are filled in, and then click install. So this is going to take like a couple seconds. Yeah, that's done. So that's how you install WordPress on your website. So you can go ahead and log into your dashboard, and yeah, thanks.